Hello, it's Friday the 2nd of November. In this video I'm just going to look at the latest Thunderball result. Nobody won the jackpot in the last draw, and I've not been covering every draw because I've been busy doing other things. But anyway, I'll just show you what's going on with the Thunderball at the moment. Now, at the moment the current trend is machines 5 and 6 and sets of balls 5, 6, 7 and 8. And so this is a chart summarising all the draws where machine 5 and 6 has been used, or where it's been sets 5, 6, 7 or 8. So this is a chart for the current trend, and you can see that main number 8 is most overdue, and most overdue for its frequency. It's definitely outstanding. Number 8 absolutely needs to come out immediately because of where it is on the chart. And then numbers that stand out with 28, not 20, did I say 28? I just said 28. When a number pops into my head, I bet on it. So I'm betting on 28. I don't know why. But anyway, 20 is the one that stands out with main number 8. So maybe we need to pick number 20. But anyway, if we include the Thunderballs, when we're looking at main number 8, Thunderball number 8 stands out quite a lot because it's most frequent, most overdue, and most overdue for its frequency. So because main number 8, because we're picking main number 8, we need to pick Thunderball number 8 as well. Now if we look at a chart for Thunderball number 8, then that's what that looks like. So if we look at all machines and sets of balls at the full picture at the moment, this is what it looks like. So on this chart you can see number 8 is also most overdue on here as well, and the most outstanding Thunderball number is 11, but because of the way that it stands out with main number 8, I'm picking Thunderball number 8. See, this is a chart for all machines and sets of balls, only looking at the draws where main number 8's come out, and you can see that Thunderball number 8 is most outstanding. And when we're looking at it like this, you can see 38 stands out as most overdue and most overdue for its frequency with main number 8. So I think I might pick 38 for that reason. Now if we narrow it down to machines 5 and 6, then number 6, which was most frequent on the last chart, is still most frequent, so I think I might pick number 6. And 22, can't remember why, so I think these are the numbers that I'm going to pick for the next draw. So anyway, coming soon on this spreadsheet, I'm going to do an analyzer that's going to make things a lot quicker and a lot better. So basically that's it for now on the Thunderball Good luck in tonight's draw, and bye for now.